Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Paysafecard on your iPhone, step-by-step process. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to try adding a Paysafecard to your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon and follow the prompts to add your Paysafecard. Note, since Paysafecard is prepaid, it's not always to accepted by the Apple Wallet. If the Apple Wallet doesn't accept it, here's what to do. Go to a retailer or website that accepts a Paysafecard. Purchase an iTunes or Apple gift card using your Paysafecard. Then on your iPhone, go to the App Store. Then click your profile and redeem card or the gift card or code. Then enter the code and the balance will be added to your Apple ID. Now you can see or you can use that Apple balance to buy apps or games. You can subscribe to Apple services. You can also make an app purchases on your iPhone. And that's it. Using a PlaySafe card on iPhone is easy once you know do these methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any suggestions and questions. Thanks for watching.